Did you know the U.S. Interstate System is often dubbed as the greatest public works project in history? Today, we're cruising down the highways of wonder, tracing the unbelievable engineering feats behind the U.S. Interstate System. Strap in and enjoy the ride. When you're road tripping across America, have you ever wondered who to thank for the clear white lines, the well-placed rest areas, the gently curving ramps? It's all down to the geniuses of civil engineering, creating highways that unfurl like a ribbon across the nation. So let's start from the top. President Dwight Eisenhower signed the Federal Aid Highway Act into law in 1956. It led to the creation of over 47,000 miles of highway, zigzagging across the U.S., connecting major cities and shrinking distances. It was a colossal feat, but how did they do it? Engineering these highways was like sculpting with Mother Earth as the canvas. Massive volumes of soil had to be moved, mountainside blasted, bridges built over turbulent rivers, all while maintaining a maximum grade of 6%. That's a feat worthy of a standing ovation. Remember, this all happened in the mid-20th century. Without today's tech, engineers relied on pure mathematical genius and dogged determination to conquer the landscape. And you thought your calculus class was tough. Now, on to the bridges. There are over 55,000 bridges in the interstate system. Engineers had to consider the weight of traffic, wind speeds, seismic activity, and even the expansion and contraction of materials due to temperature. A smorgasbord of physics, material science, and a sprinkle of sheer genius went into each one. The interstate system is not only a marvel of construction but also of logistics. Imagine coordinating the delivery of millions of tons of concrete, steel, and asphalt across the country. It's like the world's biggest jigsaw puzzle, except every piece weighs several tons and needs to be delivered by a massive truck. Now, this is where it gets juicy, the interchange designs. Those graceful loops and junctions that look so pleasing from the air? They're wonders of civil engineering. Some interchanges, like the 4-level stack in Los Angeles, are as complex as a 3D maze. But it's not all about the physical stuff. Traffic engineers work tirelessly to make these highways as safe as possible. From designing sightlines to ensuring proper signage, these engineers made sure your journey is as smooth as possible. Lastly, let's not forget the maintenance. Keeping over 47,000 miles of highway in top condition is a never-ending task. Engineers constantly assess road quality, schedule repairs, and plan improvements. It's a real-life game of whack-a-mole, except the moles are potholes. So there you have it. Next time you're cruising down the highway, remember the fantastic feats of engineering that make your journey possible. And when you see an exit ramp curving gently away into the distance, know that it's not just asphalt and paint, it's a testament to human ingenuity. So here's a salute to the silent custodians of our journey, our very own highway engineers.